This video will show you how to get to your ThinkCentral resources by using ClassLink. When you first open Google, the NCCS intranet page will come right up. To get to ClassLink from here, you'll click in the middle row of icons at the bottom on the words ClassLink. You might have to log in to your Google account, but most of the time it opens right for you. From here, you have access to a lot of resources that are for math, science, social studies, or any subject like BrainPop and BrainPop Junior. But to get to your Math ThinkCentral resources, you'll click on the icon that looks like this. It will open up your ThinkCentral account and take you right to your page. Now this is my teacher account, so let me switch over and show you what a student account will look like. This is what your student screen will look like. In order to get to the resources that your teacher has assigned for you, click on the section titled Things to Do. From there, you'll have a list of assignments that you can log into to practice what you've been learning about in school. If you click on one of these assignments and open it in the second page, it will bring you to the lesson. Within the lesson, it will read some of the questions to you, and you'll see on the bottom, there's a status bar that tells you what stage of the lesson you're at. The green, blue, and purple sections are practice stages, and the orange and red sections at the end will bring up your practice and review questions. Let's click on the resources you have when you get to the end of that. Once you see this, you can click on the whistle and the words Personal Math Trainer to bring up some practice questions. On the side of every question, you will have different options for how you can practice this question. You can view an example where the work is shown for you. You can ask that the question be solved step by step, and you'll go through each of the different stages, checking your work as you go. You can click on the textbook, which will open up another window with the textbook pages for that lesson. Or you could also access the glossary to help you define words, or the toolkit to show you things like base 10 blocks, fraction tiles, pattern blocks, anything you might need to use to help you solve the questions. When you're done, if you finish the whole assignment, you can click Turn It In, or if you're still working but need a break, you can click Save and Close, and it will keep all of the work that you've been working on saved for you. Now, the assignment I just showed you is what it will look like if your teacher has assigned you a lesson out of the book to review and practice, but your teacher might assign you just a homework page. If so, this is what will come up when you first log into the assignment. When you click Go to Activity, it'll look just like that last page that we just looked at under the red section of the Personal Math Trainer. You'll still have the option to view an example, to go step by step, or to access the textbook, as well as being able to print the questions, and then having the same two options to either turn it in or save your work and close out of the account. If you have any trouble getting on to some of your resources, email your teacher and they can help.